The top of the line iPhones have 3 lenses on them: ultra wide, wide, and telephoto. Each serves a different purpose. Let's walk through them. This is a great place to show you at Pike Place Market. First of all, you have ultra wide, which is basically like a GoPro camera, 12 millimeter, ultra wide, gets a little crazy on the ends, but I love the look, particularly in video, as long as you have good light. If you have poor light, it can be pretty bad. The best lens, the highest quality lens, is the middle lens called the 1X. It's a wide angle equivalent to a standard wide angle of about 26 millimeter here. And you can see that the sides are not as distorted. And then you have telephoto. This is a 77 millimeter lens on the top of the line iPhone 13 Pro, 2.5 on the iPhone 12. And it's pretty cool. As a photographer using regular cameras, my walk-around lens is a 24-70. So this gets me pretty close to where I was on my lens, on my traditional camera. Let's take a look at Lowell's Restaurant. That is a beautiful shot on telephoto. At wide, not so good. Ultra wide, forget it. So that's a pretty good little throw there. Let's do that one more time. And then if we want to, let's zoom in on this guy right down there who's working. That's good. I'd rather be a little closer, obviously. Wide is you won't even see him, and ultra wide, forget it. And now a quick word from our sponsor, SmugMug. If you're not up on SmugMug, 4 quick bullet points. Let's start with A, automatic backup. I'm here in Japan. I am shooting thousands of images on the mobile phone that are being backed up seamlessly to the SmugMug app on iOS and Android. I also back up all my images to SmugMug, serves as a virtual hard drive. B, sharing without big tech getting involved and lowering the resolution of your photos, as many of the companies do. C, showing your online portfolio. Whether you're an amateur or a pro, you would like to have your photo gallery looking really beautiful. I have my websites on SmugMug. All my galleries are there as well. And of course, D, for pros or would-be pros, selling your prints via SmugMug. Really easy to do. SmugMug has a free 2-week trial. Give them a try at smugmug.com.
To recap, wide will give you the best overall quality, especially in dark lit situations, and ultra wide is really cool for video, even if you do get a little distortion. Ultra wide is also a godsend when you're shooting a wide shot where the main camera lens just won't bring it all in, like in this shot of a bakery from Solvang, California. Telephoto will not let you get ultra close-ups of your soccer player or street sign from across the way, but it will get you closer without having to move your feet. Stick with the Photowalkers TV channel for more smartphone and travel photography tips and tricks.